Okay, so this video is a hot take, and of course the audio is going to be garbage because I'm just using the mic that's in my phone. So here's the deal, and I'm going to tell you. The Morimoto headlights, okay, on the website it says plug and play, will not cause flicker, will not cause this, will not cause, or no codes, no flickering, no whatever. Doesn't matter if you have OEM halogens or HIDs, it's just going to work. It's a plug and play situation. And the fact of the matter is that it's not. So I took my Challenger to the body shop because it had some damage from some idiot at work crashing into my rear quarter panel and front bumper. And so anyway, I said, hey, while you're in there, would you mind just installing these headlights for me? They do a good job. I think the car looks pretty straight. And when I pick up the car, the headlights aren't working, the brights aren't working, and the body shop's freaking out because they think they did something wrong, which of course they didn't. So I said, you know what, guys, it's probably something with the body control module freaking the hell out. Let me figure this out. So I search over the interwebs, and I find a couple of posts in the Challenger forums, and I think I saw something on YouTube, but it was really centric around, oh, the harness may be loose or something, the pin may be loose, so pull it out, do this, plug it back in, and you're all set. Well, that's not entirely true. So I call Morimoto today, and I get this dude on the phone, and I give him the symptoms, and he's like, oh yeah, you gotta buy an AlphaOBD2 license, and then you need to get like a little dongle. The Bluetooth dongle on Amazon is currently priced at like $163. The USB version of that dongle is like 60 or 70 bucks. So I ordered the Bluetooth one, and then I remembered that I actually have a CAN bus. I have a CAN bus tool. It's a PCAN USB Pro. So I went ahead and just got that in an old DB9 cable with some wire jumpers, and like totally ghetto went into the OBD2 port on the CAN high, CAN low pins, and I was able to get AlphaOBD2 to connect to that and go into the body control module. And the dude on the phone said all I need to do is just enable LED headlights present, and I did that, and of course that didn't work. So then I started messing around and found some other settings for voltage regulation, and I ended up pumping the voltage regulation up to 14.8 volts, and now it's working somewhat reliably. But I gotta say, so I went through and made sure that all lights of any kind were switched to LED present, and I put the high beams and low beams on 14.8 volts. And what else did I change? I didn't disable any of the DTC stuff. There was one other change that said like buy xenon or something like that, and I went ahead and disabled that, and now the headlights are working reliably. So Morimoto, if you're watching this, number one, you need to update your website because you're full of shit. Two, you need to probably look into the things that I've mentioned as a fix and do that as a write-up. Probably three, whoever designed your LED drivers to make this thing truly plug and play should probably rethink their current voltage strategy and make it actually plug and play and stop fucking around with people. Because like, imagine if I'm driving to work in the morning and my headlights go out. That's some bullshit. So beside that level of hate mail for Morimoto, once you get these things on and running, and by the way, I've got the corner markers also from Morimoto and the Morimoto fog lights. I just went all in on all the lights, and it doesn't look bad. I've got mine set on amber, so hopefully that doesn't get me any tickets. Yeah, so kind of a hot take, but if you have a Challenger and you're thinking about Morimotos, I would say buckle in. You probably should consider everything that I've said. If you are fortunate enough to be like, yeah, it's all good, just plugged right in and it works, dude, that's awesome. But if you bought your stuff and you struggled through that and you did whatever, that's the fix. And if you knew the fix, it would have been awesome if you would have shared it. But anyway, happy driving, everyone. And yeah, I'm not much of a YouTube guy, so hooray for that.